maker, demonstrating the potential for AI to revolutionize the agricultural industry. So, what does this mean for BSc graduates looking to enter the agricultural industry? Well, we're seeing a shift in the skill set required to thrive in this evolving industry. As artificial intelligence takes a more prominent role, graduates will need to equip themselves with new abilities and knowledge. This isn't just about understanding crops and soil anymore, it's about understanding data too. One significant role that is emerging in the industry is that of an agricultural data analyst. These professionals analyze and interpret complex digital data, helping farmers make more informed decisions about crop management and yield predictions. They're essentially the translators between raw data and practical farming strategies. Another key role is that of a machine learning specialist. They design and implement AI models to predict outcomes and automate processes. Imagine creating a model that can predict pest infestations or optimize irrigation schedules. These professionals are the architects of the future of farming. And let's not forget robotics. With AI-powered machines becoming more common in agriculture, there's a growing need for robotics specialists. These experts not only design and program these machines, but also manage their operation in the field. These are just a few examples of the new roles AI is creating in the agricultural industry. But the common thread? All these roles require a strong technical background. This means BSc graduates with expertise in AI, data science, machine learning, or robotics will be in high demand. As AI continues to reshape the agricultural industry, BSc graduates equipped with these skills will be at the forefront of this exciting transformation. To summarize, AI is not only changing the way we farm, but also the way we work in the agricultural industry. It's paving the way for precision agriculture, making farming more efficient and sustainable. This technological shift is creating new roles and demanding new skills, particularly for Bachelor of Science graduates. They must be ready to adapt, to learn, to innovate. One thing is certain: the future of work in agriculture will be one of innovation, efficiency, and exciting new opportunities for those ready to